Handy. There we go. So we're live. Yeah. Anyway, no one's going to join, actually. This is a live stream. So I'm just going to talk about the unit circle for just a second. I think it's covered in the exercises, but it's an important idea. We take a Cartesian plane, we put a circle on it. The circle has a radius of 1 unit, okay? We draw a right angle triangle in that circle. Notice I said triangle, not triangle. We put a right angle triangle in here. We call this the terminal arm, and the length of the terminal arm is unit, 1 unit. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Anyways, when we look at this triangle, 1 unit is also the hypotenuse. There we go. Yeah. So it's got a hypotenuse of 1 unit. This is the terminal arm. This is the central angle. Okay. And we can actually rotate this thing all the way around the circle, 360 degrees, even more if we like. Okay. Very important. Where the terminal arm meets this point of intersection with the circle, we've got an x and a y coordinate. Okay, so we go over x, we go up y. This is our x and y coordinate. But because it's a unit circle and the hypotenuse is 1, by some miracle, the x coordinate is also the cosine of the angle here. And the y coordinate is the sine of the angle here. Okay. So, yeah, same angle, right? Okay. So, if I were to take and make a graph of the angle, so I put the angle down here, like all the way up to 360 degrees, say. I could go further if I like. If I put the angle there all the way up to 360 degrees, and I keep track of the y coordinate, which is also the sine of the angle, that's right, I get a thing called a sine curve, and it's really important. So the sine of 0 is equal to 0. So it always starts here, okay? When I get to, oh, that's in the wrong spot. Okay, there we go. Just ignore that. When I get here to 90 degrees, my y coordinate reaches the maximum, goes all the way up here to 1. Okay. Then it starts to fall back down, starts kind of gradually. This goes into the negatives. So this is what's good about the sine curve, is it actually helps us to understand these negative values that we get for sine and cosine. Yeah. Okay. So it goes all the way down when it's at 270, not 370, 270 degrees. It's actually -1. In the end, it makes this nice sine curve. And if I keep on going around and around and around this circle, I get a continuous sine wave. And I can use that for all kinds of periodic phenomena. And that's the unit circle.